Welcome to Sweden in winter. When winter takes hold in Sweden, it transforms the country into a land of beauty and wonder. From the northern reaches of Lapland to the southern shores of Skåne, there is a rhythm to the cold, a peace in the silence of the snowy landscape. This magical time of year brings a serene silence to the frozen landscape and a warmth to the cozy cabins. For several weeks in the winter, the sun remains below the horizon here, plunging the region into a magical and mysterious darkness. Despite the darkness, the polar night offers a unique and exhilarating experience. This time of year offers a rare opportunity to witness the night sky in all its glory. With minimal light pollution, the stars shines brighter than ever. The polar night is a time of wonder, a time when the boundaries between reality and fantasy blur. As the northern light dances across the sky, they are accompanied by thousand twinkling stars. Today we'll explore the best of Swedish winter in its countryside. Today is 5th January 2025 and this time is the peak time of winter in Sweden. Though the daylight time increasing gradually day by day, but still we are getting only 4 to 5 hours of daylight. Now the temperature is around -12 and we are heading towards a small seaside village of southern Sweden. We packed our lunch from home and took breakfast from McD near to my home. Driving through a snow covered forest can be a serene and exhilarating experience. But it requires skill, patience, and the right vehicle. As you navigate the winding road, the snow covered trees seems to close in around you. As you drive through the snow covered forest, the tranquility of surroundings and the thrill of the drive combine to create an unforgettable experience. Imagine a place where the warmth of the summer sun is replaced by the gentle chill of snowflakes. A snowy beach where the usual sound of seagulls and the sunbathers are replaced by the peaceful silence of snowfall. A snowy beach, a fleeting moment of magic when the ordinary became extraordinary. Standing on a snowy beach, feeling the chill of winter in the air as the sun began to set over the frozen sea. It's 2:30 p.m. and it's already dusk time. As the sun dips below the horizon, the stars begin to twinkle in the night sky. We parked our car in a parking of a small village and had our lunch. This beautiful snowy day ends with stargazing and northern light watching in minus 13-degree freezing cold. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, as this is the first video of the year 2025. A very happy new year, all of you. Always stay safe and keep watching my videos. Bye.